Hey everyone! Today we are assembling this awesome little robot, and I want to thank the Enginediyshop for providing it. For more details about the robot, you can check the link in the description. So let's do a quick unboxing. The robot is made of 160 pieces that need to be assembled. There is a detailed manual in which everything is explained step by step. It is important to carefully follow the instructions in order to correctly assemble the robot. Since it was my first time assembling it, I will not try to teach you how to do it, but I will show the complete process. So let's get started. So when the robot is assembled, you'll need to download the app to your phone and follow the instructions for connecting it to the robot. Once it's connected, you can start exploring its functionalities and controlling it remotely. Controlling is very simple, and besides the phone controls, you have a manual switch on the robot for playing music. There is a micro SD card slot on the robot where you can insert your own music and play it. What is maybe even better is to download some robot sounds so that it looks even more cool and futuristic. The robot is not able to go over bigger obstacles, but it can go over smaller ones, like USB charging cable. Please tell us your thoughts about the robot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.